I'm back with number 2, and look at the colour of it. It's like a womb. A womb, yes, I swear to goodness. A womb, and I've been around a few wombs in my time. Yes, so, it looks sour, it looks fruity, it looks mad. And it smells so much nicer than the last one, which really was fucking disappointing. So, without further ado, and me talking the shenanigan. Oh. It's sour. Oh, fruity sour. It's actually brought a tear to my eye. It's so sour, I literally feel like it's soaking my boxer shorts up through my arse and out my ears. It's just like fucking crazy. It's very nice, sour. It's a... keeps getting my right eye as if somebody's like fucking tickling my balls. It's making me twitch. Yes, it's very good. It's very good. I do like it. This is a champ. Yes. Excellent. Cheers.